There are various ways people make samosa filling, and also there are different kind of samosa filling because of the protein you get. So this is how I make mine, and I'm going to share with you. First thing first, welcome and welcome back to the channel. You are very welcome to a new video, and if this is the first time coming here, please do well to subscribe, and if you end up liking this video, do well to like, comment and share. Guys, before I even dive in, can you please comment and tell me how much is chicken in your area? I want to know, because this country is countrying. I don't even know the language to use, but please, I want to know. Right in my pot, I have 1 kg of chicken breast. I always go for chicken breast because it's more profitable. Buying other parts of chicken, you're just going to run at loss after taking out all of the bones. Remember, you don't need bones for this because you're still going to shred and take out any form of bone in there. So breast is made of 99% flesh, which means you have little to no bone to remove. In my pot, like I said, I have 1 kg. I have seasoned this to my preference. Like, I use all of the condiments I like. You can go ahead and do that. All we are trying to do is to build in flavor, like allow this chicken to have its own sweet taste, you get, because there's a reason for that. Actually, I'm going to tell you as the video goes. If you've watched my video before where I make this chicken filling, you will understand the difference in this one. This one is because of the economy stuff, how things are expensive, but it's still going to come out very, very unique and tasty. So I've already seasoned my chicken. You can see I didn't really add water. The water you're seeing there is from the freezer, like the water from the chicken. I've allowed it to defrost a bit, so that's the water from the chicken. I'm just going to allow this chicken to simmer and cook properly in this broth, okay? So at this point, our chicken is ready. I went ahead to wash my hands. I'm sorry guys, I don't know how to work with gloves, and even if I do, using gloves for hot stuff is still going to transfer chemicals or whatever in there. I don't know how to work with gloves because in fact I double task whenever I'm working, and touching different stuff and all of that is not convenient for me. So please ignore my using of hands and all of that. If you want to do yours, please use glove, okay? Use glove to be more hygienic. I just go ahead and wash my hands. When I'm working, I wash my hands at interval. Like, there's always running water for me to wash my hands, so my hands is very clean. So what I'm doing, I'm just removing, like I said, there's little to no bones, so I'm just removing the little bones in there, and I'm sending it straight to my food processor because I want this to come out in a very, very small or tiny bit, okay? So I'm just going to continue doing that. Once I'm done, I'm going to blend, and yeah, I'll show you guys what we have and what next to do. So now I'm done blending, and on a stove you want to add your dry pan. A non-stick pan is more preferable for this step. As you can see, this is how I want mine. This is how tiny I want mine. But if you want it to come in a chunky form, you can go ahead and just shred your chicken with your hands. You don't need to put in your food processor, or you can even use your blender, but use the pause and start method so it doesn't get too smooth like this. So yeah, what you're going to do, you're not going to walk away from this at all, else you're going to end up with burnt chicken. You are going to stand there and stir this continuously. This doesn't take time at all, so don't worry. It takes like 10 minutes altogether to process. So go ahead and stir it continuously. You will see all of the moisture going out, like it gets dry as you turn. Okay, as you stir the thing get dry, you start seeing that there's no moisture anymore. But at a point we start adding our seasoning. So guys, earlier in the video I promised to share with you guys why this one is different from the chicken samosa filling I've done before. This is why. Okay, I'm adding paprika powder. Paprika powder is just to change the color. I really do not like it white like it was earlier on. Okay, I like it a bit red. I usually just add tomato sauce. If you've watched the video, good, but if you haven't, go ahead and watch it. You will find it really helpful. So I usually just add tomato sauce to this to get that red color and to get it more tasty. But because of the situation of things going on with tomato, I don't know the business tomato is having with themselves at this moment, we need to improvise. We can't stop our business because of economic meltdown or anything. We still need to survive in this business. So this is how I improvise. I use my paprika powder. You can go ahead and buy lasso stew and jollof, this tomato lasso powder like that. Go ahead and get that one, but I prefer paprika because of the flavor paprika add to it. So because your chicken is already sweet, like it's already tasty, go ahead and add just a little bit of more seasoning. I added more pepper because I want it to be a bit spicy, and I added a bit of salt. I added a bit, just little bit, just to add to the taste you get. So I'm going to continue stirring this. Remember, this is not fully dry when I started adding my seasoning. Okay, I just started adding it when it's a bit dry, just so all of the seasoning can still soak in. Okay, so this carrot you are seeing, guys, you know how much I like carrot in my samosa filling, but see, we need to improvise. Like I said, this carrot, this small carrot, I bought it 1,000 naira. I couldn't breathe, but I'm still breathing, guys. And I added some onion, and this is basically what you need to add. You can see if it's before, I'll add green peas, sweet corn, those plenty things, but we need to improvise these things because economy is not smiling. But guys, guess what? If you try this, you try it like for yourself, you are going to give me an applaud because this still tastes amazing. Just some few veggies left out. Okay, it still tastes amazing. And if at all you want it more moist, you can just go ahead and take a bit of this and mix with a bit of your spring roll filling, which is your cabbage and carrot filling that we did in the last video. Go ahead and just mix a bit of this, a bit of that, and you'll get your vegetable chicken filling. Okay, that's what I do. I really try to make things work, and I'm sharing with you guys because you guys know I always bring you good news. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if this was helpful, and also don't forget to let me know how much is chicken sold in your area. Like, tell me the state and the price. I really want to know. So in my own area, I bought this kilo of chicken 4,500 naira. So if it's cheaper or more expensive around you, do let us know. We are all learning. Okay, Yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is always tasty. Like, it always comes out tasty. Yeah, thank you so much for watching to this extent, and if you still haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. If you need more details on small child's business, go to the description box. There are links that lead to other videos. You will find them in the description box. Guys, have a blessed day. I love you guys so much.